Welcome to my channel. Today I share with you my favorite cupcake recipe. These cupcakes are without baking powder and without baking soda. So let's start making our cupcakes. For the ingredients we need half cup sugar, 1/3 cup cooking oil, 1/4 cup yogurt. For mixing I use hand beater. Beat until it's creamy. I make 6 cupcakes. For 6 cupcakes I use 2 eggs. If you want double, then you use double ingredients. 1 teaspoon vanilla sugar. You can also use vanilla essence. Beat 2 minutes. Now we need dry ingredients. Half cup flour, half cup cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon salt. Don't overmix, just combine. Add 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Mix well. Fill the mixture into your cups. Put on top chocolate chip. Bake in preheated oven 15 to 17 minutes. Ready to serve. If you like my video, do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.